Hello everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. In this video, I'm going to discuss about new features and updates in SciSpace. SciSpace is all-in-one research platform that bring together AI tools, research databases, and your own documents to make your research process faster and easier. One of its main tools is SciSpace Agent, which is an AI copilot which is connected with 150 plus academic tools, 59 databases with the access to 280 million plus research articles. So all these supporting your literature reviews, manuscript writing, peer review, grants, patents, and report writing, all from a single prompt. For biomedical and life sciences researchers, there is also a specialized biomed agent which can analyze complex biological data, help with lab protocols, and can even generate scientific illustrations just in minutes. There are two new updates in SciSpace. The first update is Mendeley PDF Agent with citation support. Now you can upload multiple documents and you may ask questions across all of them at once. For example, let me just upload the files. This new update allows us to upload up to 10 documents. So we can upload 10 PDFs. Here are 10 articles you can see on my screen. Let's just try with these 6 articles. Let me upload them. So once the PDFs are uploaded, now I'm ready to ask the question. Let me just summarize these files and highlight the key findings. Agent is running. Agent is analyzing all of our PDFs and then it is extracting the answers from those PDFs. SciSpace has provided the answer from the uploaded PDF, and it has not only provided the answer but it has also provided us the citations. By clicking any of these citations, we can simply click locate in PDF so that it will take us to that part of the PDF from where the text is extracted. The second new update is Mendeley integration in Agent. Previously, we were able to upload the PDFs directly from our Google Drive, and as well as we can also integrate our Zotero account, which is used for referencing. But unfortunately, I wasn't that happy because I use Mendeley software for the referencing. So about this update, I am very happy that now I can connect my Mendeley account with this SciSpace Agent. In order to integrate Mendeley account with SciSpace, simply go from this bar. Simply you need to click this and it will take you to this particular page. And from here you can simply click the connect in order to integrate your Mendeley account with the SciSpace Agent. Once your Mendeley account is integrated with SciSpace Agent, then you may ask any question from the agent regarding the PDFs that are uploaded to your Mendeley account. For example, let me ask a question. Can you summarize the PDF? I have just written the title, then from my Mendeley account. See, SciSpace Agent has provided me the summary of the article that was uploaded to my Mendeley account. This was the article which I uploaded to my Mendeley account. The SciSpace Agent has accessed the PDF and then provided me the answer to my question. I hope by using new updates, you will be able to make your research process faster and smoother. If you would like to explore these updates, try SciSpace using the link in my description, and remember to use my coupon code for a discount. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.